back, and we back, and we back, and we back.
Greetings, everyone. My name is Allen Antoine, and I'm a STEM, specifically mathematics and computer science, professional development specialist out here in the States. I'm from a small town in Louisiana, but do most of my work out of the city of Houston, Texas, where I now reside. I work with Rice University and the Advanced Computing Center at the University of Texas at Austin, where I put together teacher programs that get educators pumped up to teach a variety of STEM subjects in a student-centered way that makes kids motivated to participate. Just a little about me. I grew up in a family of educators and started substitute teaching in high school classes when I was 18 years old. With that start, I've been in education over 20 years, teaching students and teachers all throughout the United States and internationally whenever I get a chance. That's why I'm so excited to get this opportunity to come and meet you guys in South Africa. One of my mentors, Dr. Jacqueline Sack, went to this university. Notice I didn't try to pronounce the name and mess it up. Maybe you guys can help me when I get out there. Either way, she talks very highly about the culture, the people, and the diversity all around South Africa. I know we'll be able to learn together, and I can provide some cool things to take back to your schools and your classrooms. So when I visit you guys, I'll be doing 3 sessions. Let me run through each one of them so you can see if any of the workshops may be something you want to join me for. The first training that I'll be offering is called Off the Wall Teaching. This is one of my favorites because it quite literally combines some of my favorite instructional practices into one cohesive classroom style. By using vertical non-permanent surfaces, class discourse, movement, collaboration, and even music, we will explore a way of teaching that keeps kids engaged no matter the age level or the content area. Any and all primary and secondary teachers who are looking for a new way to present material in their classes are welcome to join. In this session, you'll be meeting new people and working in groups to complete tasks on large erasable sheets of paper on the wall. You'll also do gallery walks to check out other groups and present your work. At the end of the session, you'll have a complete view of how to incorporate this strategy into your classroom, and some of you will leave with a few white books, an awesome tool for creating erasable surfaces in the classroom. My next session is one we call computational thinking classrooms. I've heard so many people talk about the need to improve students' problem-solving skills and add computational thinking to their courses. Well, this is your chance to consider that approach. All grade level educators are invited as we hope to expand this focus from elementary all the way through high school. This session will feel similar to the off-the-wall teaching one in that we'll be up and moving around the classroom. However, our content will be more focused on the elements of computational thinking and build a bridge to introductory programming topics. I'll give away some more white books in this session, but more than anything, you'll leave with an idea of how computational thinking looks across different subject areas. And I'm rounding out with a session on inquiry-based STEM. This one is for any STEM teacher who wants to add constructivist style teaching techniques to their classrooms. During this session, we'll actually do an inquiry STEM lesson. You'll be in the role of a student, I'll model some facilitation techniques, and we'll ultimately talk about the steps in a good inquiry lesson, how to get students to ask good questions, and how to facilitate this type of classroom. You'll leave with a classroom-ready lesson, but also the tools and steps to create your own activities that will have your students doing explorations and developing their own understanding of content objectives before you even teach a thing. It's truly a powerful approach to learning. Can I get on the plane now? I'm excited. I can't wait to meet you folks and learn from you, just as much as I bring some of my own ideas to your classrooms. I'm ready to discuss some innovative things, and there's no better place to do that than at the InnovateEDU conference. I'll see you guys there.